ye be ye free mu kakra. It is a brady. Reverend Professor Joseph Osafu do Afanaja. Our the Sompa Rhapsody eba betwa so. Abrabomu nyansa abrabomu ntutuye. Ene de eba beboa mu. Na bibia akoye kama. Na wonim say Sompa Rhapsody die yaba e de amamo. 84 fidi into a frebusian frofre adofo your Facebook page near Sompa 106.5 FM Accra and a YouTube and see Sompa FM live now a Pepsodent cavity and our face with just bread and pastries for and I saw your son a yet just bread and pastries and a Pepsodent cavity the chichi son woman eboa am ye the Sompa Rhapsody abrewo a joda bia ekosi efiada and upon ochi ekosi and upon ndu na yetna se obeti Reverend Professor Joseph Osafu do na so uni abakosi agwaboaji it is a brady. Yamwakwa Baba Sompa Rhapsody.
Ankamaya Samupai, Sukuya Mouth me copy. Now, so called up on the 70 miles, me was your dear. We made the wine so. My head kind be the tree. My phone in a jamming. Timamu from a dissuade in your grow. Mamma from a dissuade in your grow. Oh, I'm revetting us and it's ya. Anka Safu for me. Anka Messiah for that game. Anka Safu for me. My self company. The canny our family will be all. This cane in our woman, with my warning in a summer. Come on, once I move for an miss and then what they are binding me to you. My free me, man, my son, walk of fire, dear. My self company. I see soon, I mean, I'm sorry, pa. Bringing some money, try me photo, and some mama through you. Let me swat the one I miss up. I want to need hobby. That's often I was your son. I meant to say, I know the I can't remember to my sanity. I can't remember to my sanity. No name is all. Nansu Crobian agenti, Manaja Padia Piao Fio. Nemenia do me many fears. I brought it enough from you. Nansu Mitimi coming to be. Mama Becca will be my soul. Hey, day, hey, day, hey, day, hey, day, hey, day, hey, day. Wame, Nano Yame, Wame.
Oman for me mamo ache mo sonfo Joseph Osafu Matrasi OG ene mase OG metata no menum se obia ehwoye menso ehwoye pa elemete se me be na se me ne akosu na epemo so ankasa na yatna se yidi na che se onum se Sompa Rhapsody yedi brew ejuada and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday and Friday 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock biano Sompa Rhapsody yese afutupa ene abrabopa oji energy metata amefasa kwen so na mema me amedofo minua ba ene me sister Anna Jesia Amoa aka Additional Lady Anne Anna Jesia Amoa aka additional na Lady Anne. And then your 50th birthday. Incredible. Hooray! Ana unyame emfa nshira emfisro emfa meshira o. Oma ne do endoso emma. Oma adu nyina enka ho. Hooray! 50th floor and we hooray! Ana. Oh. Unyame ishira papa in fear no de odi a na che say ishira ko ana onemu oje jimitata no pay Ankama yese moda oje na jimitata no pay matana sibio na medesa afutu se me ebrewo na no fiase na me ka kire wo se ye be ka afa mindset baby adwene aje tata ade kodu hey me de se na ekosia e bi sa se one te abanama if mani di abano one te ma ekosia one te abanama I go say one at Abano
even an at you.
One at you.
But there be a I now Mamma we are on me. What count here? Papa we are on her.
My one at man.
But I ain't upon some mammy, nigga no could die.
And I mean him the year,
him the am confess.
I didn't bedroom me.
I didn't bedroom him dear to cry me before yet.
May pursue be a bit treaty.
I have some dear before be share me.
I got
the demon cry a do so dear.
When Maria Mahu any part a brief beer yen to me and Tiasia a quania a fast so ye bribino. A quiet fast, baby, I want Tiasia beer. Or find it the very easy way to explain things.
Like say be tour.
So anytime you have a problem explaining things, you look for the easiest way to blame. And oftentimes when some year obi a blaming and 10 because won't you say but the amount we to treat or ban any mono air feelings.
I think
I want to say no say na my treat me hu dia me na I say be air feelings.
Next say feelings na when who manage no
cause one say and a lot of young people don't understand said your feelings. I think I don't say. On to say I think cannot is it.
All right.
And then one so would na was it na my kusu na I say be yashire me.
Nessa papa ya tinka yetimiti ya tinka.
And the ut minya atinka mu nimde. Any nyansa.
Oh.
Awareness of your emotions help you.
Wunya atinka mu nimde na nyansa. Okay.
And nimde na che say what you say.
All right.
What you say sister you wouldn't say open. One of the kwa sorry.
Yeah.
When the hope face baby ade na ikono ne said ye uhuna no akoma ebo kete
na unya na open
na o size no na o twa picture na watafre wa no nyina acha say open
nese ne so e build bibi o
and we no if na think am nim dia you know
what we nim
you label the emotions when we say some emotion here sexual emotions and he say empemu agro atenka sister me ware no and my main free home avoidance. But when you say sad na ye wono atinkamu akono and ewura and we do ha bi o ja no buttons. She message me yeme me sisi katos kaba oboa ebesi o bone mo no na ebesi so the awareness of emotion, that's the first step. So when you say adia to me buefu the nipa na me buefu I'm not happy the way he treated me. You label the emotions. You name it.
Oh, ne say prof wo gitum say adia me kudi me mani anye.
Exactly.
You have to accept it.
Accept it. Not identify and label it.
E kwan me yire fan so me kuni me bai di oyeye na me mpe.
Debbie.
Eti medi anye.
Sir.
Said ye medjuma ye ni si respond ye no anase si rosi anya me de.
Anya me de.
Eti ho na wagye atum said ye si ne nya wo de.
Excellent.
But nye ho na ye bibi.
Debbie.
Okay.
Enti wagye atum no. Once you have identified
all right
and labeled it, I feel what is our labeling on the identification ebe ye adwuma.
Okay.
Say okay, enti you say my identify, my label, me buefu. What should I do next?
Prof, hono na ye Prof, the enim say the moment me hu ade na mani anye no. The moment me hu akoda na me kon do no. The moment na me yira ye ade ahye me bufuo. The moment me kura ye ade ahye me bufuo. The moment nipa no wadi so be me rules no.
Okay.
Hono ade beba me tiri mu bia na maye.
So that's where the challenge is. Now, and no say, wunni
atenkamu nyansa. Oh.
You may have the knowledge.
Okay.
When you need the answer, me buefu.
Yeah.
Because you have to say the obi nsa aka sika koko. On saka sika koko a. Eda onsem.
Yeah.
So wunni how to use or what gold is.
Yeah.
Eda onsem keke.
Because wunni the idea.
Wunni. Enti obi a obeda da wo beka che say oh na we the meta bi keke enti obetutu na yo na
waja to baby
ana okonya a crystal diamond na ya first ahwe we dey
no at because when him say a diamond
you don't know enti say because if you don't move from knowledge to acting say wunim afa dey minimum no
e dey na me de beye Papa, one challenge in one.
That's where the issue is.
Challenge in
what do I do with what I know?
Sam nipa me hu no me kondo.
Te me yede.
Me yede akwada no o area ho. Minim se wo ye under age. Or 14 years. But me hu akwada no me kondo no. A me pesa me ne da.
Exactly.
But me ne kwada nso a. But onim e ho na papa e bia be ma na sa be abema no hu na ne kondo no. Na wa ho na no. Or peko befa so ne beda.
Exactly.
Oh, but a man tini mu say onye say eh wo ya akoda o. Me kofa no a ye de me betum o. Ghana mrakra e defilement o. Yantwene no nko ho. Enko no say kwan mefa so a the next step no ye kwan mefa so scheme wonya akoda no.
Exactly. And akusi are ba kon so ya na nkofo
and
sefa atenka no. Emotions get you faster than rationality.
Atenka fa wontem
e fa wontem esne say what they wa dwin ankasa ye
ebe ye adwuma ei papa repeat hobby
emotions get to you faster wadwin mu no baby you control atenka no eso pass baby ya rationality wo say what they adwin na to ho enti watenka get to you faster enti people are feelers, they are emotional actors.
Okay.
More than they are rational actors.
All right.
I just say, or nothing can you, most of the time, we should be on the bank, or say, I feel.
Yeah.
I feel.
Yes.
I feel. They don't say, I think.
Yeah.
And the feelings get to you faster than thinking.
Papa didn't say, I will say,
because I think areas now have been now. You control
I think
it's big.
And at the edge, no.
It's bigger than the one lives to rationalize.
Wow.
And the Bribiano. So one fan Shabbat you say, as I say, ma rationality, Eddie,
a hene,
a what and Kaswa, when your problem. If it's a Atenka, a peja, it carries you by a certain drive.
Okay.
A push you.
Yeah.
Now, a push you into my yakura. Now, I didn't quite hear you.
Yeah.
Obedi Atenka, Eddie, a heater. Or the heating suit, that the heater nana,
yeah,
Eddie can sue, or heating or plug it. And on a boy funiba. Never if you say, heater no. Electricity and them.
Oh,
and to 2 years on the bottom.
Hey, because
emotions get to you faster, quicker. I want it. So when you're Santi, I say no ba as a matter. And he label the emotions. Say okay, the air to me a buffo. Mehu, why are they? Plus one.
Why are they?
Why are
they? Why are they? Where are kono?
Exactly.
What identify?
Exactly.
The area was see
exactly. And that is what Eve missed. I say, when she saw the fruit,
and saw that
it was good for gaining wisdom.
Nese we are ebe mo nyansa.
She took it.
Ofai.
The difference is she took it.
On ne fire.
Cause one fa. Anke one see. Can one act on the emotion.
Nese wo feel ye no.
Exactly.
And ka wan to ho na mo.
So actions. Exactly. Actions give expression to emotions.
Actions give expressions to emotions.
And you know, say action no. Okay, so I'm buefu.
Yeah.
Mintu ana mobia.
Yeah.
Obi say, because you cannot misquote silence.
Sa ayi many boss no. Na powerful papa.
Sa manka.
Mankasa untimi nkoko timi ba bi se me say.
Eno kan say, oh, wankasa.
Wanka hwe.
Okay, you go have video no. Hey.
Wanka hwe.
So wanka hwe you. Where they misquote me. So when your actions reach out, and I say we to anamoa.
E wo de wo feel ye no.
E wo de wo feel no ho. Anamoa na wo to na kire say we nyansafo.
Anasa bio.
Anasa bi enkoyi. Anasa bi enkoyi. Na
ba repeat one. O say wonya identify say oh me bu na afu. Anade na
any knowledge.
When your knowledge anasa akora na me kondo no. Me nya na me ne beda.
When your knowledge.
Wo hu ade no. Na de wo be ye no. E na be che say wo ye nyansafo.
Anasa
enkoyi.
Yeah, pass you back.
Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro de won fan to mama wu.
Oh, no, the
one day. And na che say Bible say e brother dey there no. Prof, identify who knowledge about the area was sabre. Sabre me bu na afu. Sabre me nya nipa na me ne beda. Sabre mani ha me pese mesua di.
Ai.
Sabre me pese me da.
When you have
Sabre me pese me keka bi kire nipa.
Ai. To when you are libre.
When ya nanso
what do you do?
Dia wo be ye no na be kire se wonim nyansa anansa bi adwene ho aka.
Because there is a text maybe you can search make say yeah. I'll say
Prof,
I say Jesus was tempted like us in many ways.
Okay.
But he was without sin.
Nessa yes no shey.
Yes on we here. Akwan yesa nyina mu said ye. Yenso yeso ye he no. Nanso na bone
enni ne ho.
Edentia. One of the reasons dia Yesu na bone ne ho. And he said, "Dia yan ye betia. Ye betia think e be tu na mo no yensa."
Onim ni nyina.
So obi tinte so gu nani. Obi born na so. Na we na Yesu no o ma onyane ewufuo. Na me uso mu abumani so. Me bu ani chi ba akwa no ani afira. Because he had the power.
Yeah, onu to me.
And Christ did not abuse that. Or atenka mu nyansa. Onim say dey all fam no. For a purpose.
Yeah.
And one a Eshana Hurban nyina what he never
one kasa
punished him.
But Hebrews chapter 4
good
verse 15.
Or
say this high priest of ours understands our weaknesses.
Okay.
For he faced all of the same testings.
He faced all.
Yet he did not sin.
He faced all. In the testament yemfa Ghana I be a day. Be employee, dream, kind, bribes are hold on. I say so. Christ is the perfect model.
Wow,
he's the perfect model of and to Usianoa. I say who say Usiana is said ye on the
wow,
and labeling. Why are they? Some say, sister idiot, Minyana pa, you are immediate. But I need no.
And that's a be a secret that would mean
maybe. A basic and everyone says, Minyamefa. But Nyansa can say, because Nyansa, what is wisdom?
Yeah.
Wisdom is acting out on knowledge.
Nimdiena wono, na otu
anamo
papa.
And no,
and only
Nyansa. And Nyansa. Eti Anope, Emsafo. Anyway, Eddie Abitrum. OJ, the meta attack.
OJ,
producer. Mami oje kakra
oje betwa so amaye
oje enye metatana eneno me ne won e be ka nsemi e di afa Meno ebe kan se me e afa ye can distort thinking. Adwene a emfra eno na meno ebe ka ho asem na mefa nimani bi e wo Numbers 13 ebe churchill sa akwansrafo du mienu a esuma ho se omo enko asase a na onyame ahye body ato ama oman so no wokoye no woba ne nsem wokan no ka bibi kire ye pa nende saa adwene no ebi won krofo adwene enti won ko anim won tu na monko anim oje tuyefo kama yese mo pe oje tuyefo dimitata na so koda bonisem esi ko school a won ko school okwa unsua de
mafonyi na ye jami timamu fama di suen mi agro mamu fama di suen mi agro kra anga emrebeti na sanja anga safu fami kami anga misa kwada kema anga safu fami myself pain sikani awafa na mi wobio bisike nyina womenu medi ma wodi nyina sumemba jama kwansa mufwa na mesamem na mbode abanji nitoi ma free me mama ye masankwa kwa fire yeah myself pain see so na mi num sorry pa bring some and try me photo
my SM pen OJ ena ejimitata na ena ebe asemi akwansrafo du mienu no a Moses suma won no onyame ayi won afre enkwasom after 400 years eno akiri no wo mo enam kwanso a woko na wo ban asase no ena Moses say ofa ebusuan bi mu nipa baako na omo akɔhɛ asase no na okoye no a wode report ne bae no yehu adwene bi a enye adwene ye kra na nesa adwene no ye be paipe mu na ya hese ne ye besi asasa adwene no se sa adwene bi da otimu a enye Numbers chapter number 13
my self pain pa proche no na mi so na su krobia ni agenti manyanja pa je bia o fio na menini adu mi pani fieso a proche tina funu mi o na su mi ti mi komi chibie mama beka obi my so hey
Every the verse number 26, Numbers 13 from the verse number 26. Prof said they came back to Moses and Aaron and the whole Israeli community at Kadesh in the desert of Paran. Just what they okoeno omunina eba Moses nchai and the Israeli community nchai. Also they reported to them and to the whole assembly and showed them the fruit of the land. Also oka assembly nyina erichre Moses na nwechi no osan enso ema Moses ehu oman no eye aba na duaba horo ewo ho ode echre wo mo. As they gave Moses this account, we went into the land to which they sent us, and it does not flow with milk and honey. As me call you know, you can who assassino said yaka say ampa a war and then if you no now so as here is the fruit or the abanitre. Now 28 and said, but the people who live there are powerful and the cities are fortified and very large. Now so one tiwono on who day what in kura ya to war ewo ho na abaya etwenwehia or say we even saw the descendants of Anak there. Ufia se wo kan nima wo 29 say the Amalekites live in the Negev, the Hittites, the Jebusite, Amorite live in the hill country, and the Canaanites live near the sea, and along the Jordan. Enti oman fi ase woka eniema wo ene kenafona wo reporto na eniema no woka no 30 said, then Caleb silenced the people before Moses and said, we should go up and take possession of the land, for we can certainly do it. But 31 said, but the men who had gone up with him said, we can't attack those people. Was see yen to many one enko, and then the brow no one junior emfra. Adiana ekura mu a atwa sign no enye bayo enye bayi ye ni nyina na ye bayi me prayer warrior empire me bo papa me ni ya I said treta voice nyina empire na so ene bia na ye bo empire bi o hwa de adwene ye adwuma bi o hwa I was say nyante ase bi o hwa we should understand principles
akama yesa mu pen suku ye ma ufo de mi kobi.
31 they say we can't attack those people, they are stronger than we are, and they spread among the Israelis a bad report about the land they had explored. They said the land we explored devours those living in it. All the people we saw there of great size. We saw the Nephilim there, the descendants of Anak come from the Nephilim. We seem like grasshoppers. Yet they say mebe anim na sanso ne yehu yehun so anim ye o manfo ya say papa na so obi ekura sa adwene yi a ebe den ena watumi abubira akoranim wo say yet they say mebe na san yehu yehun so anim ene ebe pepe mu ade a kire wo adwene a emfra a microphone ko wanim eno ena mede ebegu akwemu
and some mama trufio let me so de mo ana mesa popo ahode no ni hobiem na safa na usua esa no wa kame tu fuse dai no ni ya aka emrebeti mi asanatia
ahunu de ese unu hu ana chese won sama dwene na won sama brabo unu hu ese wadwene sesa unu hu a there must be 180 degrees turn around and yet 360 o je say menumi ho na anapai el say obi enu ne ho no osua nyansa no onya atenkam ni mudie enti sa akwansrafo dumienu yi a yasma won say won kohe asase a wonyankopon ade ama oman no won fa report emra na efe won to na mbon won konka oman no na the unyameka no won kwaje after 430 years wobaye no they brought a bad report. Eti adwene paben yehu awosa ade akenkan Numbers chapter 13 from 26 ekwa no adwene paben ena yehu ewo sa ade yimu mepese meneo yesua ade bi yefiase every the verse number 31 I say we can't attack those people. They are stronger than we are. Yen to me anyone kon was so sinye. Yen to me anyone kon was so sinye. Yen to me anyone kon was so sinye. Way I adwenia emfra downplaying your own strength. Yakase sa adwenia emfra ye fa minimization. Ahwodenia wo no na sa ahwodene no wabu no animtia. Ente montie mafutu semi minimization obi wo ho a o adwene pa o ne pa beribi wo ho a ebeboa o strength bi o skill o talent bi enso de bia na ubu ho abomfia bu sunsum any adwene a emfra ba kono no minimization. Don't downplay your strength. But be oha obetumi aye na ebrani pa say we can't attack. Make us say ya obitifi. Asemi twin ko school. Me and papa Apostle Dr. Nobo Kwame Achu Afi Obedi 80 years afi muntiami yo obedi 80 years Apostle Dr. Kwame Nobolachu Oye, retired minister of the Church of Pentecost afi obedi 80 years na ade bi ono ho apese usua odi 79 years no and we any PhD ewo UCC 79-year-old man wayani PhD ewo UCC Apostle Dr. Nobo Kwame Achu adentina otumi yasa wa engage in minimization wambu ne skills abomfia enti wonga ebu on skills abomfia Apostle Dr. Nobo Kwame Achu say men kanche o say at age 79 onyani PhD enti montie pa minimization eno eyade a epre nipa eyade a emwa mrantie emwa maya edie na obetumi aye wabu mfia che o man krofo so ebu abomfia we say we cannot eyampa we cannot I cannot ebribi abum say obi eka I cannot be ano the person is minimizing the skills. And anytime you minimize your skills, the way and say you are breaking your abilities and your talents. The greatest enemy in your life is yourself. Or tamfo di kania. I also would me eshanoso. Na udin so. Na utmi chufanoso. Aye one kasa the limitations in your mind. Ne said ya ufa. Was we cannot. Hey, enkrofoi. Na yes o me yana wonyame ede various miracles or ye niema kesia ede twa atom misrim no wonyame aka kire won se obi anji bribi emfiri ne fie suhwefo enchen and my Bible said they plundered Egypt wo free misrim se nkofo wo yesikafo not a herefore but wo ko o man no so no they are minimizing what they have meanwhile wo free misrim no na wo yesikafo pa eti obi wo ho a saa adwene no bi no ena edan wadwe wo jejemetata minimization adwene a emfra ba ko edikan embu hu abomfia we ya adwene a emu akora for na me samem and then what they abandon me to my free me my sam kwa fire yeah my sam open I see so na me no sorry ba bring some money try me photo and some yeah one crown say what ban what a cluster of grapes what the grape kesia pa nipa mienu and a suya de buy was suya at the buy now so buy and was say we cannot sa adwene ya mfrefa no minimization abomfia bu ubu ho abomfia me sha brantie bia na woton kube o say man of God meton kube na meton no ya na me say me to be nkomanim me say me nkomanim me say obetumi akọ anim enne waton kube no aton akononim awie university wey ani yakane adwene a emuda ho Adrian etosumienu a emfra yehu e mrante ye no ye fe no catastrophizing ye kasa ye brofo kasa catastrophizing ene ye den ye kasa catastrophia say oh here you are exaggerating the threat into an overwhelming unavoidable disaster just say ade na wo ka no o bible mu amana aye huhu do o mana huhu do oh na nyame bua mi ampa o je to yefo na nyame bua ye catastrophizing you are exaggerating the threat into an overwhelming unavoidable disaster wakoino in the verse 32 will say the land we explore devours those living in it. All the people we saw there are of great size. Osi asasinwa ye koye ihu ye no enkrofo ete ho no asasino se won. Na wonyina eye ekunini abrane a ye hu won. Just they are catastrophizing. Omo exaggerating ehu na ka won no. They are seeing it as overwhelming and as an unavoidable disaster. Obi wa the own Abraham said, the iron quan warrior opera aye, or Hesica woni. Now what Trump for Ninia, the worst case scenario. The worst case scenario na de de mean to me and na de de ebekumi o na de de men koso na de de menim say ekwan bi aso no enkwa yi o na de de you are catastrophizing emwa adwene a emfra oje onyame emwa ye oje say onyame emwa ye. The land we explore divorce those living in it as a seno no one to one assassin say one no yes adwene say assassin say o man no a day na mokoto nipa say what so. Think about it. Say assassin say nipa te so a day na sankrofo ne koto say nipa te so a catastrophizing. They are exaggerating the threat. Ehunu ho ampa na mo ma ehunu ayekese dodo ehunu ayekese dodo enti be bia wote no watwa mfonyini bi ade ama wadwene waka che ho se wabrabo yidie owu ana de wanim waka che ho se wabrabo yidie nsopa anya nim guase ana de wanim de bia na waka kire ho te se de ameto nyum yi a medi enyum efa ase won so wadwene mu no ade bi na mase. There is a subtle playing song of defeat. Eda adwin nasiboko. Debia na ebo urawo, debia na eboko, debia na ebo urawo, debia na eboko, debia na ebo urawo, debia na eboko. Wasi oman no yakoto nkrofo eso ho na oman no esen nkrofo etiso. Oh, adwin ba ko esen di papa ne say will be the challenges are edenanim no say unsurmountable. And a challenger won't mean this one. And that was the biggest challenger and Kofedi by was say we saw the people that they are large was so waya kesefo waya brane na sasa sino e koya yedi esu grips aba enipa me ne kura yi sasa sino a ese ne manfo na ese ne manfo a we dey ekoto won if I catastrophize my mass had been angry watching him and let me too. Yeah, if you have him, why? Yeah, if you have him, you will be the run of him Santo to me, or see me too quiet, you be come. But now, come to you want to me, my Otia Bochile, or some man, I meet me in Kobu. I catastrophizing. We're going to be in Trinica, Watoka Mono, and so Cano, Augusus Fie, and now it's a garage. Otunu once a year, ask me to become a chroma, Yebekume, will be end to me see die on the chromo, Adentia, may see me die, Yebekumi, catastrophizing, and wow, says Sawat June, says Sawat June. I say was someone drink than one drink here, wow, oje na jimi tata. The toss me and sa adwene, I toss me and sa yehu, I was a construct me and I make a ya now jump for you. Now be someone said, what kind of thought do I have? Adwene bang the kura me. So me kura adwene a year adwene a year catastrophizing. Said there be a me say in my bonnet kwa America. Ana adwene a year abomfia adwene. Obu abomfia no na the toss me and say verse 31 or say we can't attack those people. They are stronger than we are. They are stronger than we are. Not say we cannot do it. We cannot do it. We cannot do it. Yen to me anye. We cannot do it. Yen to me anye. We have all or nothing thinking. All or nothing thinking. As Jenny said, no strategy, no nuance, only total defeat, framed as the only possible outcome. Where any junior, a do bitim say, mean to me, and Yahweh, and Kuguon Kwan, and maybe nim, and no epe any idea a be free, the Emilio Maba. She knew what met me a yet a total defeat. The friend of all or nothing thinking. Almost say we can't attack those people. They are stronger than we are. We cannot do it. Amanfo, now we can for you all or nothing thinking. No will be a horse having a wooden no or control essence back and one no. What's it mean to be you? The only possible outcome, and say I'll fail. All or nothing thinking. Sa Jini and Wendipa, if you want to 180 degrees turn around. If you want to Mama for Bako and Chairman FM and Cotton Cratuana member, the Atosu 9 a negative mental filter. Now, here, Asama Omokai, verse 27 through 28. Or say, we went into the land to which you sent us, and it does not flow with milk. It does flow with milk and honey. Yakwasa Senoso, I a wonderful so it does flow with milk and honey. And we'll say, here is the fruit, Mohia Abano Ebini, but the people who live there are powerful, and the cities are fortified and very large. Now so, one etiwano, where I can say for one kurono, Ahobambono, and was she, and a fence where Uncle Fwa, where ya branepa. Well, no, a negative filter, negative mental filter, then, acknowledging the good land. One more acknowledge say assassin, then they filtered it entirely out of the conclusion. When you say, now so in Nepana, who you frimu, and we projected the Ayano, and assassin the now so, what we had to be announced. Now so, one want to say, now so, oh, met me here, now so, oh, me koi, now so, oh, offer me, now so. They don't focus on the positive. They are filtering only the negative. They be not what they were need SCD and so. You cannot focus on the negative and succeed. Remember that don't filter out. Yeah, you dear for when this city obey to me, na ebeboa pa. And then what they are buying to you. My free me man, my son walk fire, yeah. My son pain. I see a tsunami, I'm sorry, pa. Bringing some money, try me photo, and some mama through you. Let me swat them one I miss up. I want to need hobby. As often I was your son of one. Come to Pussy, Dinonia. Oh, I am revetting your sanity. I can revetting your sanity. Oban for Mama Ejumaya, me, Wanga, Ikram Asemba, just bread and pastries proudly introduced or say. Kinky pa wanga mope dokuna mu ehwan dokuna utia ohun say twan o de to anu na che say ohun say udi enkra dokuno papa kinky sellers mo a mope say mutu pa no wo say we a great opportunity baako price 3 cities just hot kinky or say a convenient, tasty and affordable alternative to the stress of preparing kinky at home for sale. Obi will have a soy docona or say mini ahana medibetuno or say a modern crime and modern papa we just hot kinky acquire burumore papani pano or say it is made from a high quality grain in a clean hygienic environment where you baby obekoni be crowd one night and fit modern way you be where the idea you clean pan fit modern kama with just hot kinky with liver a tasty and smooth kinky was it a clean just a hot thing was it a hygienic preparation was it 3 cities pet convenience storage ya packing kama enti ukura adwuma kura bit near be not just say a show car no is a winchain a break timer then one say passion now we home not just a one dokono mo bogim home or say baby bit me akwaji edi akọ funerals wedding event and baby bulk purchases are available open say one more edin say oswa for 0256068 0256068 We're located at Domi behind Ghana Commercial Bank, or say John's Bread and Pastries. Make your kenke experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with John's Hot Kenke. Omanfo we actually know yabeje nkrato kakra na iwia yako break na yaba.
Yes, sir. Can you hope you more? Joe's Bread and Pastries.
Joe's Bread and Pastries.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the Joe's Hot Kenke Abba. Dokono Papa no.
Dokono Papa no.
Afei na ube kojo. Akoto to ebro. Abecha ho sente. Ababa ye dokona kwa koton. Wabra Joe's Hot Kenke ewo ho. Eye 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
O say price no. Ubetu na wo kwa no akwa koton. Eno ano se wonya woni ma na wo dia boss. Enti celebrate the introducing Joe's Hot Kenke. Ye de ebro papa ehu cha ene ye dia ye. Baby aye no nso. Eya honidie nko a. Highly clean environment. Ene no achi no obo adiensa no naturally nice and it tastes good. Enti ye comfort the amount say Joe's Hot Kenke. Mo amoto dokuno nyina. Ema mo ncha mo ho biem. Ema mo mre biem. Mo metum free ye nchen. Eye 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
Joe's Bakery. Domi your commercial bank echi hono a. Sa wo pedudu atu. Na wa frɛ 02560688832. And you say dear Joe's Hot Kenka Benti. And one say wo betu ya. Na wo dia kwa kosi wo kona ho. Na wo ton. Joe's Hot Kenke. Hot Kenke. Ye dia bawo pona no. We eye hot.
Hi, you're from me Abna Ruthie. From Monday through to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Shame, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Made Sompa Delight. Bro, Sompa Delight, a social entertainment program. Ebema entertainment, information, and education. Onya, sawati de wahoni nadida. Afi, and anya dance no eba. Sompa Delight is a unique blend of entertainment and purposeful conversation. Frobi, no be Frobi, no be so Frobi. Nakashale say, Abna Ruthie, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Na ode Sompa Delight, bro. Sompa Delight, where entertainment meets impact.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano eweye brim. And am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Yankopon Kasa Chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Sompa First Service in Trawo Home Hoda. A Yajuada Kusi if Yada Anopa. Anopa no Nunkusi Anopa Nunsia. Fawudani na share radens. Na erade day.
Akwada hu dachi anana ni aje opani twane ni anani raho mara husempa na mike mintam kese na me bosui me mranti bremu metie futu elemi na binyo mranti ani mabawa kutie me akama yesa muda
Anka mayese mo pen OJ ena edmi tata tifo no nyina akwaba eye Sompa Rhapsody ena wuti 106.5 o say ema akatomba amenka o say ene edition no yenya challenge kakra our lines on nti nurse yemi phone lines no asade minia kusu agwa bajeka earlier on now they are cheye na so many say na ugusu a over point na me boss no medikan abose obi wo hono a ya basambu honhom ene abonfia sunsumo kwa mintumi ye da bia mintumi ye let us me no bia o niema na no kwa catastrophizing da bia no ohwe ehunu eda nanim no eno kwa na adwena na ahye adwena mama obi so hono a all or nothing thinking just say oni strategy bia na adwuma no enkugu nko na ohwe anim and ye tufu pa mo amusia ensano no oje say otufu say jai the first one no negative mental filter wo no the oye ne say ya na ohwe say ade yi papa bi wom timani enko papa no so on the bon no nko na wo hu ade no ade e ba ni nyina wa hu ade pa bia even negative mental filter. I think that's why no overgeneralization will be one. The all say one frightening encounter becomes a sweeping universal truth. Adia Bakoa, Odi Eho Enkuguo no, and no na Ashishe Nadjine, Ashishe Nabrabo, Ashishe Natenka. And Crofono essay Tiasema Wakai, our Numbers 13:32, or say all the people we saw there are of great size. All, Ampa. Kena hono munyina no munyina ye Goliath for size enye no kure but eye over generalization just say ade enkugo baako osuro baako no they are for bia oye or say all the people there are of great size. Numbers 13:32 and no just say they are over generalizing. If you say Tiasema Caleb ni Joshua, they saw the same people and did not draw this conclusion. Caleb and Joshua there, when one said Oyenkofua was so sad. And the Anapay Obia, what to what? Ewa june say Google back when we did o control exams back now fairly maths. O fairly maths into was say many maths. O control English and fairly also made them in school. O control social studies and our fairly o fairly once. O control physics and our fairly once. O control chemistry and our fairly once. SS4 and then Markov ma me no the aba Becky and Lois at the free school the aba or mate maybe airco if you could do 1 week, I could eat and one bar. Ebi or SS3 or by strong exams. They are done with their mock. Ebi I know be a yadi, a mock no crab in chat. One channel say, man, mock idiot, and yet, exams are ebay. One or taka say, ye kukurum pony, na ye beswe. Junior Emfra Kra, when you friend over generalization. What they in Kugo Bako, for near my town, winning Asia, Ukunu, and I branty be essay or Pesabawaro, and a bribinti or so. I drew a mess of Pesamawaro, not a fade. Me and a kind, Massamadune. Was ya, Memina San Water, Megosia by a beer, one a breaking heart in J. Kwane, and started wounding Johnson, Jones, Anna, Jonah, Anna Jeremiah. And we share me, I am from Joseph. I say, met the same one. Oh, yeah, we have no over generalization. Yeah, and fa, Bribia, and Kugubia, where the and found for Bibia. Treat issues as episodic. When I be said, I did be to me, when I told me, no when I told me, and non qua one ebere, and non qua on the time, a betrum. But there is a different time eba. A day is coming out, and no air better. As in the war and there too one. Treat issues episodically. Now who say where one episode. Now when the demanimono able to me as a son. Why they were over generalizing. odi nkugo baako no eno ano ne kunu ye ne bone baako odi afore for bebia ne ye ne bone baako odi afore for bebia ne boss ne bone baako odi afore for bebia ne subordinate bone baako odi afore for bebia san crofo no they can't forgive san dwini adwini a emfra
free me, man, my
back of fire. I say, Mopay, and then I put to Namede Emamano, Ghana, and Brantewa, and Maya, and paying for, Nemcocra 4, Brewa 4, Nemcocra 4, Motier, Moamosomfo, Joseph Osafu, Edu, Sompa 106.5 FM, Emma Aketiapa, Sompa Rhapsody. And I'm ready every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Just say now you're 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. And I'm ready, and then me know I identify a junior emfra a construct do me no Moses Soma wono na e wo wadwenimo obetumi ade nkunim de na so nkugu adwene bia e wo wadwenimo ma wadwene na we are dealing with mindset wadwene po niema bia e de wadwene mu a emwa no eno ho aduro na me ne wo ye na ene me church adwene ya na dasa akwansrafo ya adwene mu a amboa wo mu a me pese wo yi sa adwene po yi efiri wadwene mu efiri say don't forget you can never rise above your thoughts. Approach na afromi and your brefie near here where Easter crab and besra. Ehu ana mo aka bruchiri. What's oba ibekun? Oba ontumi nkobiyo. Oba aduana fo wo shekambu a wodi wachi. Ehu. I've heard to siano emotional reasoning, because they felt small. They concluded they were small. Feelings are a treated nearma as fact. Feelings treated as fact. O feel it, me feel it say. Now who say no correct? Me feel it say. Umume me feel say me kwa mincha me feel say me kwa mewu me feel say you are treating feelings as fact. Wrong thinking pattern. We seem like grasshoppers in our own eyes. Numbers 13:33 was say we seem like grasshoppers. Yet say emebe ewo yengan kasa yenim. Their self-perception, rooted in fear, became their operating reality. Emotional reasoning, what they think, and they do when him, or junior, now I say, I feel. We will be our attacker, I feel. And then Joseph Osafu may catch us say, Sir, I dream if you are now you say, I think. You're careful about emotions. I didn't know what they think na do when him. I say we seem like grasshoppers in our own eyes. Young and Cassianimo, you who say, emebe. Any embranca swampa, eti sabria. Where the Acasidian, me too, as ye. Men pesa what is our juni, a best shower junimu. Na emwa, a junior emfra, a junior emanquenim, a junior emfenshra embryo. Emotional reasoning will be any nadamfo, enya akasakasaka kra. Na all the feelings na me koi obakasa de bi ono me emmambio ana obi no yire ana ndikunu ono ntama san osi o me koi obakasa on pebio adentia eye emotional reasoning what the atenka edi wanim atenka na abaye the interpretive framework eno na abaye the lenser wo hweso na wa kyerɛkyerɛ wadwene ana watu anamo emwa se woma atenka ebeye fact in life emwa remember. Don't forget this. Anytime emotions become facts or feelings are treated as facts, you are in trouble. Be careful. Anka sam from swami ye nkame ye bioda sebre betumi asanachi a sam from swami ye bioda enu ntina wo somfo Joseph Osafu menam Sompa 106.5 FM so a mede afutuo mapa we wonto we wontu aka onkota na bi me ya nyusika eye free
free me mama
asa kwa go fire averi edi wono eye personalization obi wono mo a wono obi twa ne ho a o se adent no he me sa na hu se o he so wani ankoto na nimu a na hu se o he ene o he me dodo ene o he me no ene o tintesuo ene o he me no ene o tweye ene o he me no personalization ade bia eye o mo de project their inner self concept outward. They project their inner self-contempt outward onto the enemy and no evidence, or with no evidence. Adia woni mu a eye the weakness. Eye mbere ye woni mu no na ono no eyi di ato ofoforo so. Wona o he no, en wo he me no do, en wo tintesuo, en o chia me nsem no, wan chia me nsem yi, o so me nsatia na no. En ade me nsem no sabi agena e wo mu ana. We a friend of personalizational projection and the party as somewhat and Crophonicai Numbers 13:33. Or say we seem like grasshoppers in our own eyes, and we look the same to them. You have to say a member so na yes ye hu say saa na hu ye eye den wo wura Crophono dwum hu say saa na Crophono hu we eye personalization. They have no basis for knowing how the Canaanites perceive them. Woni adie bia nyaso bia e be kire say sa na Kenafo no hu but I say sa na wo hu ye eye because they are personalizing and they are projecting. Wonya mebo ayi na we nya adwene pa ada obi adwemu saa wonya adwuma ohia nkrofo a na otwetwe ohia obi oni di ntokwa ana oni nya ntokwa ohia obi a na oni nipa no ani hia ase a omume we nya adwene pa na na nya mebo ayi wa
ochema sase mame tonye 90 min points nkrofo fie mu atena tuo minya baby from it we kon we man chat say
won kon man hwe bi wo se san wadwene se wo san wadwene na wo change wadwene a obehu se won kon say ado bio efri se obra no yebuko yanim yembu ansan we Sompa Rhapsody enam Sompa FM 106.5 ema aketua pa eno so ena wutie sa futu sam yi a ede nkwa ene ahosan ene nkwa anim ebrewo wonya misoyemu na wensoyemu eni obia de di hono yefana tunnel vision selective abstraction tieni yepa tunnel vision neti ensem oka on Numbers 13 31 and 32 tie sa kwansafo yi enkrofu ya adwene ye ese se unu hu ano pay pa mebua no ho pa every say ese wabrabo ekoyi ti asema waka on Numbers 13 31 32 was say but the man who had gone up with him said, we can't attack those people, they are stronger than we are. And they spread among the Israelis a bad report about the land they had explored. They spread among the Israelis a bad report about the land they have explored. You can say tunnel vision. A person just say you are looking into the threat data and you are ignoring the favorable intelligence entirely. Just say adiano and near my baby omuno where you are doing a tunnel vision. Wadwene ya kiti adwene nuswa wonyame hunyamabo madam so wonyame hunyamabo enkweye why the can be there every say or tunnel vision adwene ekura wono nya da bia wo hwe niema na enye no nko na wo hwe tunnel vision enti wabae no what is how someone the wuro mindful no oh so nyame ya na me start na sibi wa next session no mechira wo sade adwene a emfra etumi epra na epra busia na epra oman na epra wiase na epra wabrabo
Sikani awafa na mi wabio Disike nyina wamenu Medima hondi nyina sumemba Jama mfansa mufwa na mesamemu
They and can say sound crofui and crofui say yesro no was say they were terrified about them no woku anim kakra go kan Joshua chapter 2 verse 9 and 11 Rahab edia dance say Israel for ni ehu eto talk Canaan for no so enso Canaan for ya na man for say was so say o na ye no ye hu won no ye te say emebe o wani so na saa so na ye so ye hu ye ho baby and I say one person obet me adebia wo na wo your own enemy ade akutia no enya bonsam nya maame nya papa nya unua nya bia na mo adwene da woti mo na nya software no aye corrupted ahuno na hia me awasa program yuso me be say obi edane na brabo na dwene Greek kasa erika repentance na fana metanoa ne say wo esesa wadwene that is the meaning of metanoa Greek kasa no a yedika repentance no o de se menu me ho pa enti se onu ho a ya na esesa osesa wadwene esese ye koye ni mu mai mu abrabon ne adwene ye dietry mu ne nya kura
Mama Becca obi my soul.
Rahab later Ekan said the Canaanites were actually terrified of Israel. Joshua 2:9 to 11. Now so a man say we cannot we can attack them because they are bigger and stronger than us. Who say wo susua na enkrofo no esesen wo they do hono even learn helplessness here pa in Numbers 14 verse 2 and 3 Numbers 14 2 and 3 was say if only we had died in Egypt was it Moses so my ewu el misim kranke ye or in this wilderness why is the Lord bringing us to this land only to let us fall by the sword? Our wives and children will be taken as plunder. Numbers 14:2 verse 14:2 and 3. Just a minor years of slavery. Wakonkwa sumwache. And it produced a deep-seated belief that they had no agency over their fate. See, I can say agency. Agency chere say. Wow, what the ade bi wo ha obetumi aye ama ho yakasa wo ye agentica but bi wo ha wa na obetumi aye o ma me ntumi ye o papa ntumi ye wadam ntumi ye o boss ntumi ye you are the master of your life you are the eagle in your life and your agency wo ka che Moses say mayan come zimbio hwe ni ho obetumi aye Numbers 14:2 and 3 was say if only we had died in Egypt Moses now was sank ye wu Misrim or in this wilderness sank yewu ewo asase kese so adenti no nyankopon edi abasa asi so say ye beto to ewo kenafo asekan no wow was ye yire no ne ye ma ye be fa on say asade look at the thinking where even learned helplessness junior asade no debia no hu as a victim who say wouldn't be able to me aye say who be okache o say say be read here ajegon enkrofotisa ajegon Ghana ajegon is and I mention we no say me can cheaper say learn helplessness ajegonism na sa adwene emwa enya adwene a ebo nipa kra what say obi say ajegon a na chese saade ya na oka wansam ajegon mentumi ya hwe ajegon echichire wo na say neso agi kon adwini Eurobia tie you are the master of your life. Where Sompa Rhapsody a special show wunya ni bebia nu ha obenya no just Sompa 106.5 aketua ewom ana ema aketua pa osum yi a ubenya aketua pa we no Sompa 106.5 Rhapsody won't you won't won't register and one is about 106.5 Sompa FM now at Rhapsody from Monday to Friday we no ebeboa me pech obo won dey na fra womba ukunu oyere wadamfo o boss Osafu onua wotamfo kura afre no asafena usua sanwa kametu fuse jainunia oje say metu fuse jainunia ene afutuo na meneba metu fuse jainunia akakakra na mebre ayebe na medi etwa aton emawo onyame ya admanesa atoa so momodi ya meka say ene no lines na didi dwuma no asem kakra ba ho nti no ene no yentumi embuye lines no facha ye pa da ufra eba no ibebuye lines no ba me go akon en so na yenkwayanim ba akon group think Numbers 14 1 and 10 or say that night all the members of the community raised their voices and wept aloud. A whole assembly talked about stoning them. Wakas ha assembly we no na fe omani nyina age wongatum omani nyina yekoro abedi sa akwansrafu dum yenu ansam yachi ansam wakan no enye Joshua and Caleb said daddy the amokano enye no kore they counted the report was already where the majority silencing the minority eribabia obehu se enkrofo bebre adwenia ekura won no enye ebetma ofie betma asore betma wonamfo no adwenia da won tim no enye wan hwa na atwon so ede wo akowem na no nyame boa me ampa na sa adwene enye your friend group think ne say adwenia nkrofo bere afa no na eno abaye bibi a won so ekura won Ghana ha no mekire won adwenia hodo a eda Ghana ha edi nkrofo nya obi a yawo ato Ghana ha so onyame amoa na wan sesa adwenia sa adwene ubenye binya baby from it to we man chat say ade won kon man chat say ade se sama adwene na sama adwene a won yese ade da wa obenya odan wa obenya ofie obeto wokale obechechire wabusua obeko anim Sompa Rhapsody 106.5 ene ede ebreo ewo enne ede akaba famunya sapa akaba famu mwanjika mama nyama kesho familia ina mecha on the final confirmation bias. Every piece of evidence is filtered through a pre-existing lens of fear and defeat. Adie bi obehunu bia no adie bi na tiko eno na ode chire mankase mefili mankase adie mi ntumi nkumanim mankase na be self-fulfilling prophecies. Numbers 13:32 no say the land we explored divorce those or say it divorce those living in it. It divorce those living in it. Even the extraordinary fruitfulness of the land was reframed as evidence of danger than the promise. Fruit now what they buy no kurano what church na say said yes no sa na nkrofo no so eson we self-fulfilling prophecies say obi e wa adwene a emfra otu anambo bi as adwene no eno na eden dan no sa wadwene eya obeko anim sa wadwene enye nso a akirisan kwa na da wanim obra bia futuo enka ho no opra nkwa na di anim anadi akire enami tufu se samadwene ye wadwene efri de enye ho na tu anambo a ebeboa wo awe wontua ka sika nanso enye sika every say baby a hoteno no ubetumi aye na wafa adwene pa efri ya mechire ho omanfo Osomfo Joseph Osafu ɛna nnɛ mede Sompa Rhapsody ɛde abrɛ yi. Wɔnyame nhyira